Okay, so today I've just literally walked across the forecourt to PK Veneering Limited, who are an extremely professional outfit, and those of you that may have classic cars will be very interested to see this very short video, which I've been promising to do for Neil and Tony now for about 2 weeks, but they've been so busy here at Cheshire Cars. But here we are anyway, PK Veneering. Now what do they do? Well, what goes on in here is magical, really. This is just the downstairs, and as you can see there's some heavy machinery and tools in here, but they're just working on, well, many things at the moment. But one of the things they're working on is this Mercedes 220 SE from the 1960s, and these are all handmade parts for the interior of the vehicle. Absolutely unbelievable the amount of lovingly cared for time that is put into these. Is just, and look at the finish, look at that, absolutely brilliant. Now I'm not sure, Tony, where are these going to, these parts? Were these destined?
In the country.
They're in the UK?
Yeah, Daventry.
So these are going to Daventry in the UK. We can't give you the owner's details obviously, but they also send them all over the world. Absolutely. America's recently. America, yeah, they are, America, yeah. So if you've got a classic car and you want to just to spruce it up inside, these guys are definitely worth looking up. And look here, there are the details. That's the details there, 01270 253 460, and they've had years and years and years of knowledge and practicing to hone those skills. That's some models there, some sort of, if you like, parts that are ready to be turned into something like that. Absolutely unbelievable. And I've been upstairs, and I'm not going to go upstairs just right now, but look, this is old school, and I know they don't mind me saying that, because it is old school, and that's why they're still in existence. We've got Neil there busily working away, and Tony just there. Tony's a good looking one apparently. So and we're just gonna go around here. Neil's not quite having that, and we're just going around here. Now look at this here. Look at those small bits and pieces. It's terrible, isn't it? They're more than bits and pieces, but unbelievable. I didn't used to like woodwork at school, but I could stay here all day. But so there you go, PK Engineering, Crewe, Cheshire. Well worth looking up. Veneering in Cheshire. PK Veneering, yes, get it right.
Spell check.
Spell check, yes, spell check. Thank you, Neil. So look, give these guys a call if you are an owner of a classic car, or you want to a little bit different. I'm not sure if they'll do modern cars, but they probably will do modern cars. I know they do lots of work for Bentley. We've got Bentley and Crewe, and I know they've done lots of work down the years for Bentley and Rolls-Royce. So if they're good enough for them, they'll be good enough for your car. So I'll just leave you on that note. PK Veneering Limited, Crewe, Cheshire.